Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys this little tint kit and pretty much me trying it out and trying to tint my brows. So yeah. It is the Godfrey's Tint Kit for spot coloring. And I'll link it below if anybody's interested, but I'm gonna be showing you guys my experience with this tint kit and how it all went for me. First though, before we get into that, let me go ahead and show you what comes inside of the kit. So of course you're gonna have your little instructions, right? Your instruction manual. The next thing that's in the kit is this little oxidizer developer. And then you're gonna have these little tablets here that have powder inside of them. It's like the tinting powder that you would mix with the oxidizer. The next thing is this little mixing bowl here that you put your powder and your oxidizer and mix inside of this. And the final thing is this little brush here to brush on the mix once it's ready. So that's pretty much everything that comes in the kit. I believe the kit is like 20 bucks or something. So just so you guys know, the purpose of this kit per the box says that it is ideal for coloring small areas of the scalp and facial hair. Pre-measured in separate units, it gives you the versatility to use the exact amount of color you need with no waste. Great for use on beards, mustaches, sideburns, temples, anywhere you need a little color. So clearly I didn't use it on any of those places. I just recently tested it out. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into that and see how that experience went for me. Okay, so I'm starting out with the little mixing bowl that comes with it, and I'm getting one of the little capsules, and I'm just gonna open that up and put that powder into the mixing bowl. Now I'm grabbing that 1/4 teaspoon to measure out the cream developer for the mix. Then I just combined the cream developer with the color powder and made a little paste. Then I just began applying it to my brows, and at first I just tried to stay within the shape of my brow, but then the brush that comes with it, it's kind of thick and it doesn't really allow for like thinner areas like the tail end, for example. And it just seemed to be getting a little bit more out of control the more I continue to apply it. And as you can see, I just keep going and going and going over each of the brows continuously. And so here I'm finally done, and you can even see that the color is starting to develop, and I decided to leave it on for 5 minutes. So now that those 5 minutes have passed, I'm ready to wipe them off. And first wipe, and I'm like, wait a freaking minute, like, what the F? And yeah, I'm just a little shocked. As you can see, it's not coming off when I'm rubbing it. And this is not what I expected at all whatsoever. Yeah, and I keep trying to wipe it like to see if it'll like budge, but it's not going anywhere. Like, I am looking at this in disbelief. Like, I cannot believe I just did this to myself. And I honestly thought it was gonna turn out like the best thing ever, and it just did not work out. So yeah. As you can see, it was not the best experience for me. I think I just overdid it a little bit, kind of over drawing my eyebrow. I feel like it would have been perfect just to fill in where my brow hairs were, and that's it. So if you already have the perfect brow shape with your natural hair already, and you just maybe want them a little bit darker, then maybe this would work out perfect for you. But for me personally, I like my brows like this, you feel me? But it just didn't translate with this tint. So in my opinion, it was a fail. I don't know if I would try it again, just, you know, staying within my eyebrow hair perimeter. I don't know, I might, because I have it, so might as well. And especially with this quarantine, you know, what else do I have to do, right? So I don't know, we'll see. If you enjoyed watching this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, you might as well hit that subscribe button down below, because you know you want to see more from me. And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.